Here we introduce a percutaneous continuous sewing machine-like suture technique through a single working portal in arthroscopic repair of subscapularis. All the authors have no conflicts of interests. The tear of the superior third of the subscapularis is detected from the posterior observation portal. Radiofrequency is used to clean the rotator cuff interval and the freshening is performed with a shaver. A 12-gauge spinal needle loaded with the high-strength suture is prepared. We insert the spinal needle percutaneously below the anterior portal to penetrate the subscapularis tendon. The first puncture is started from the lowest part on the medial side of the subscapularis tear. The end of the suture outside the spinal needle is pulled out through the anterior operation portal after the first puncture. Then the end of suture is pulled out again throughout the loop formed by the second puncture. The third puncture point is at the superior part on the medial side of the subscapularis tear. The end of the suture inside the spinal needle is pulled out through the anterior operation portal after the third puncture. The above is the whole process of a percutaneous continuous sewing machine-like suture. Then the spinal needle is loaded with another high-strength suture. Another simple suture is performed with the same percutaneous suture technique. The puncture position is on the medial side of the first suture. The last step is the single lateral row anchor implantation. Four ends of two high-strength sutures are pulled out through the anterior operation portal. A single lateral row anchor loaded with all the sutures is implanted into the footprint area of the tear subscapularis. Then we complete the superior third of the subscapularis tear repair.